Hey everyone, if you're new here, glad to have you. In this video, I'll show you how to fix an HP laptop keyboard that's not working on Windows 11. First, make sure your system is up to date. Go to the search bar, type Windows Update, and open it. Then click Check for Updates and install any available updates. Once that's done, restart your PC. This alone can sometimes fix the issue. If the keyboard still isn't working, the next step is to update the keyboard driver. Go back to the search bar, type Device Manager, and open it. Look for the Keyboards section and expand it. Find your laptop's keyboard, usually listed as standard PS/2 keyboard. Right-click on it and select Update Driver, then choose Search Automatically for drivers. Let Windows install any updates, then restart your PC again. If the problem persists after that, it may be a hardware issue rather than a software one. Check your laptop for any physical damage, and if needed, consider taking it to a repair service to get the keyboard fixed. That's it for this guide.